In this project, your team will take on the role of an engineering and tech company who specialise in using drones for environmental monitoring and search and rescue activities in remote and dangerous environments. You have received a message from emergency services. They've advised you that 4 hikers are caught in a severe storm in the mountains, which is expected to last a week. The hikers have very limited supplies and shelter, and to make things worse, one is seriously injured. It is too dangerous to send people in for a rescue, so they are asking if your drones are capable of helping. Your team has just developed a new drone which is designed to operate in severe weather. The problem is that your drone does not yet have any way to carry supplies or people. Your mission will be to design and create, using a 3D printer, a structure to attach to your drone. The structure must be able to carry a supply package to the hikers, as well as return all 4 hikers to safety. There will be many challenges to solve along the way. For example, the drone is only capable of carrying 2 people at once, but we will learn all about design specifications and constraints later on. You will then also need to complete the rescue mission, which will require you to learn to fly the drone using both programmed flight and manual flying. Now, we won't be rescuing real people, so Lego blocks will play the role of our supply package and Lego people will play the role of our hikers. This will be a challenging project with plenty to learn along the way, but your team are innovators. You know you will be able to solve this problem with a bit of grit, creativity and collaboration. So when you're ready, get your team together and start the challenge with Activity 1. Team up!